Weep when the infant promising and bright, and clothed in beauty's softest robes of light, tires of the path its infant feet have trod, and finds its way to heaven and to God. Mourn when the violet, beautiful and sweet, is crushed to earth by careless, hurrying feet, and in the dust obscurely, meekly lies, emitting gentle fragrance as it dies. But mourn not the aged pilgrims when they go forth from these scenes of sorrow and of woe. Rejoice that their freed spirits to the skies on wings of love and peace may gently rise. Their work is done. Why should they longer stay? Their souls are longing for the far away. Their hearts are weary and their feet are sore. Oh, mourn not that they will return no more. The flowerets all to earth must droop and die. The withered leaves upon the ground must lie. Rejoice that their worn bodies soon may rest. Their spirits find a home among the blessed.